Throughout history, certain moments have left the world frozen in fear. Tonight, we revisit 20 unforgettable events that changed history forever. 9 experienced hikers entered the mountains, but none returned alive. Their fate remains one of history's greatest mysteries.
A single reactor failure transformed an entire city into an abandoned landscape.
In only minutes, nature unleashed one of the most destructive tsunamis ever recorded. The world's greatest ship met an unforgettable night in the North Atlantic. A massive earthquake triggered a disaster that changed Japan forever. A day that reshaped global history and left an unforgettable mark on millions.
One of aviation's most famous disasters unfolded in moments.
Beneath volcanic ash. A single explosion changed an entire city forever. One fire transformed medieval London forever. A deadly pandemic altered the course of human history. A mission filled with hope ended in tragedy. The journey home became its final mission. One industrial accident became one of history's worst chemical disasters. Nature demonstrated extraordinary power within seconds.
The deadliest accident in aviation history happened in thick fog.
A natural disaster triggered another nuclear emergency. One explosion echoed around the world. One explosion echoed around the world. One of the most powerful volcanic eruptions ever observed in the modern era.